Glouchester Engineering is a 50-year-old manufacturing company based in Gloucester, Mass. That produces plastic extrusion equipment. I joined Gloucester Engineering roughly 2 years ago at the point at which they just emerged from bankruptcy. One of the contributing factors to them going into bankruptcy was their lack of insight into business information. They'd been operating on a 27-year-old AS400 ERP system that no longer served the purposes of the organization.
We looked at one of Oracle's solutions, we looked at Microsoft Dynamics, and we looked at Infor SyteLine. All of them had some advantages, but I think the entire package that Infor brought appeared to be the best fit for us.
SyteLine is kind of the core of our business as a whole, and it's a central system. To contrast it with our old system, it's fantastic because it doesn't just take notes from one area and transmit them to another. It basically simulates our business, and that allows us to pull any kind of data you want.
We are very much a metrics-driven business. At all levels, getting the data quickly is very important.
Implementing Infor, we were able to create a fully integrated system where all departments were working off the same information and data and being able to make better decisions as a result of that.
Since everything's fully integrated, everybody's speaking the same language, that lets us get all the more efficient and all the more better at what we're trying to do and what we're good at.
I was here when we did the implementation into SyteLine and pretty much managed the whole finance side of the implementation. It's been actually a huge return on investment. We had no visibility to our costing on our projects. Now we know where our issues are and we can actually figure out what's wrong with the project and where we're losing money and get it fixed because SyteLine has such great reporting capabilities.
The ability to deploy a system that replaced what was a beginning to end, quoting through to cash solution within a 6-month period with something that was fully integrated was critical to our success and our ability to turn around the business.